Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to find specific text on your web page in your Google Chrome browser. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to find specific text on a web page or website on your Google Chrome browser, then I will show you simple method how to find this. You can see I have opened a website which is Wikipedia. Suppose if I want to search any word in this, so just you have to press Ctrl and F. After pressing Ctrl and F, you will find a box here. In this, you have to type the text what you are searching for. Suppose I will find as record. You can see total in this page the record word is 18 times. One here, if you want to find another, just click on this arrow mark, you will find another word. Like this you can find specific text on your web page. That's it guys. So in this way you can find specific text on the web page in your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.